Bundle up. Meaning, to dress warmly for cold weather. Example, make sure to bundle up before going outside, it's freezing. Warm up. Meaning, to make yourself or something warmer. Example, she sat by the fire to warm up after coming in from the snow. Snow in. Meaning, to be unable to leave a place because of heavy snowfall. Example, we were snowed in for 2 days after the storm. Freeze over. Meaning, for a body of water to become covered with ice. Example, the lake freezes over every winter, and we go ice skating. Dig out. Meaning, to clear snow away from something. Example, we spent hours digging out the car after the snowstorm. Pile up. Meaning, for snow to accumulate in a large amount. Example, the snow piled up so high that we couldn't open the door. Ice up. Meaning, for something to become covered with ice. Example, the windshield iced up during the night, so I had to scrape it. Blow over. Meaning, for a storm or bad weather to pass and settle down. Example, the blizzard blew over by the next morning. Wrap up. Meaning, to cover yourself in warm clothing. Example, you'll need to wrap up well, it's freezing outside. Put out. Meaning, to extinguish a fire or stop heat. Example, don't forget to put out the fire in the fireplace before bed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share.